Hello, student. Welcome to our class. I hope you all are good and you are doing good. Okay, so let's start our today's class. Yes, now let's recall. First, let's recall our like what we have studied in our previous class. Okay, so here in our previous class we have learned about like we are solving theorem. Okay, like if we have one point, then how many circle can be drawn, and if we have 2 points, then how many circle can drawn, like that we are studying about that and we have solved that theorem. Okay, so now here if I have one circle that center O, and now you have to now I will ask you about arc and chord. You have to tell me. Okay, so I have circles with center O. Okay, then you have to tell me about arc and chord. Okay. Okay, student, like we have this. Wait a minute. Yes, like we have this. Like we have this. Wait a minute. That marker is not working. Okay, student. So we have. Is it not working? I don't know why. Okay. So like here we have one circle like point O. Okay, so after that what we have to do, you have to tell me like here you have to tell me arc and chord. Okay, so now today we will discuss about today we will discuss about some property related to and arc. So today's our topic is property related to and art. Okay, so yes student, so now you tell me what you, what will perform here what we will I have drawn a circle, like what we will do on circle, like what we use, we use color paper to center mark O. Okay, and two equal arc, we will make two equal arc. Okay, so after that we will we will make mark two equal arc. Then we will see that to join the end of arc to make two chord. So as I have made here two chord, I will name as AB or PQ. Okay, so after that, now what we will do, we have to cut the two arc by chord. Okay, and superimpose the two cut parts. Okay, here we can see that. Okay, so after that what we can see that here we can see that they are superimposed. This means two arc are having two equal chord or vice versa. Okay, so here we will come to know like what the this can infer from all the what we will inform from this circle. Okay, so here we will know that like property, if two chord of a circle are equal to their corresponding arc are congruent, and conversely if two arc are congruent then their corresponding chord are equal. Okay, so like here we can see that property, if two chord of a circle are equal then their corresponding arc are congruent. Okay, so and conversely. Okay, so if two arc are congruent then their corresponding chord are will be equal. Okay, so this is the properties of properties of related to an arc. Okay, so after that like if I have two equal chord of this circle, then what about the angle subtended by those chord? Okay, so here like angle subtended by two equal chord will be equal. Okay, so after that, what about the angle subtended by the corresponding arc of or two equal chord? Okay, so here we will find it also as a equal. Okay, so I hope everyone is clear till now. Okay, so I have one statement for you, then you have to verify that which is it statement is true or false. Like angle subtended by two congruent arc at the center of the circle will always equal. Is it true or false? So here we can see that the statement will be the true. Okay, so after moving further, so yes, what you observe, like what is this? This is like this is like divider. Sorry, this is like yes. So here we can see this is a protector and this is a compass, and this you can see this is a what? This is a compass and this is a scale and this is protector. Okay, so now what you have to do here, why I am showing this components to you? What do you think? What we are going to do? Yes, very good. Now we are going to do any construction. Okay, so we will do an construction. Okay, first what we have to do? First we have to draw a circle with center O like this. Okay, so I will draw a circle. I will draw a circle with center O. Okay, so I have drawn a circle with center O. Second, what I have to do? Secondly, I have to mark an arc like AB. Okay, so what we have to do? I have to mark what we have to do? I have to mark arc AB. Okay, like this. Okay, after that, what I have to do? Like after that I have to like third I have to subtend angle at the center by arc AB. I will draw an angle. So here we can see this is measuring like both angles. Okay, so yes, after what we will find here, we will find after measuring the angle, that angle subtended by the arc is double of the angle subtended by it on the circle. Okay, so here what we will do, like we will inference while inference the, like here we will do the inference of the explanation part. So okay, so here is the given theorem. Like what is the theorem given over here? The angle subtended by the an arc at the center is double at the angle subtended by it at any point of the remains part of the circle. So what is given theorem here? Like we have to explain the statement of the theorem. Okay, so now we will come to know, first we will construct the first we will construct the now we will construct the possibilities of the statement of the theorem. Okay, so for that what we need to construct the theorem. Like first we need to draw a circle with a point O, and then we will make this triangle. Okay, so like this. Okay, and then we will name this D, C and A, B. Okay, and this will be as midpoint, so it will be O. Okay, so after that we can see that this will be like this. Okay, and when we can see that this is like So this is like we have drawn the circle with O, and we have drawn inside that the triangle. Okay, so this here we can see that this is a congruent arc or equal arc of a circle subtend equal angle at the center. Okay, as we can see that equal angle at the center. Okay, so moving further, I have one question for you, like angle subtend by two congruent arc at the center of the circle will always be equal. Yes, it will be always equal. Okay, so coming next, so again I have like I have so again like I have what I have theorem. Okay, so you have to prove that theorem. Okay, so you read that theorem. What is the theorem over here? Like the theorem is that the angle subtend by an arc at the center is double the angle subtend by the at any point on the remaining part of the circle. So here what we need to do, first we need to construct the figure. Okay, so first I will construct the figure. So here is the construction, like first we need to draw a circle, and then we point as A. Okay, then we make arc like this. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, like this, and we will name as A, B, C. Okay, so here you can see that in circle with center O, R, P, Q is substituting angle at center O and on the circle at P point A. Okay, so after that we can see that, so here what we need to prove, we need to prove triangle PQ is equal to 2 triangle PAQ. Okay, so triangle POQ is equal to triangle PAQ. Okay, so after that what is proof here? So here we will see that AO is joined by a line extended B. Okay, so what? A line extend. Okay, so here we will name it B. Okay, this point we will name as B. So here we can see that AO is joined by a line extended to B. Okay, so after that what we given, like now we will check now in triangle AQ. Okay, OAQ, OA is equal to OQ. So we can see that OA is equal to OQ is a radii of circle. Okay, so therefore OAQ, so therefore triangle OAQ is equal to triangle OQA. Okay, so here we can see that opposite angles to equal side. What will be this? This will be the opposite angle to equal side. Okay, after that we can see that triangle BOQ is equal to triangle OAQ plus triangle OQA. What is this? This is a exterior angle. What will be this? This will be exterior angle. Or we can say that triangle BOQ equal to 2 triangle OAQ. Okay, so this will be the equation first. Like similarly we can write this as a triangle B OP is equal to 2 triangle OAP. So this will be the equation 2. Okay, so after that we can see that from equation 1 and 2 like triangle BOP plus triangle BPQ will be 2 triangle OAP plus triangle OAQ. Okay, so like that, or we can see that triangle POQ equal to 2 PAQ. So this theorem is hence proved. Like what we have to prove, like triangle POQ equal to 2 triangle PAQ. Okay, so here we can see that this theorem is hence proved. Okay, so very good. Now I have one question for you. Like we have one figure when we have to check that 1 by 2 reflects triangle POQ or not. What which angle will be the 1 by 2 reflex of triangle PQ, like POQ. So here I will give that, draw that image. Like here we will give as a O. Okay, so after that we will draw this. Okay, for that we will name as APQ. Okay, so here what is saying POQ. Okay, in figure what we have to see, 1 by 2 reflex. So here the answer will be the triangle P, sorry, yes, so PAQ, the answer will be like PAQ. Okay, so moving further, so let's recapitulate our today's class. Yes, like today in our today's class we have learned about properties of arc and a theorem, and we have proved that theorem. Okay, so after that I have homework for you. Like in figure 10, in figure there is in your textbook there is a given figure like figure 10.36. AB and C are 3 points on a circle with center O, such that triangle BOC is equal to 30 degree and triangle AOB is 60 degree. If D is a point on the circle other than the arc ABC, find triangle ADC. Okay, I hope you have you are writing on the homework this on your notebook. So again, the second question is that a chord of a circle is equal to radius of the circle. Find the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc and also at a point on the major arc. Okay, so at last I have one activity for you. You have to draw 5 different circles and take different arc on them, and you have to verify whether angle subtend the arc at the center is double of the angle subtend at the remaining part of the circle in all 5 cases. Okay, so thank you everyone. I hope you will do, and we will meet in our next class. Okay, so let's stop our class. Thank you everyone.